Hey, what's up you guys? It's Zach with PCBros, and we finally have another desk video. Today I am going to be breaking down and showing you what this desk looks like from FlexiSpot. This is the FlexiSpot E6 Max Dual Monitor 3-stage standing desk. I did order the biggest one in this mahogany color. I think mine, as Jackson says, is a little more red. We have so many FlexiSpot desks in this office. We absolutely love them. FlexiSpot did send us this desk to do this video on, but I'll try to be as unbiased as possible. But we do already like FlexiSpot. I think they are a great desk for the price. So right off the bat, this desk can be had for about $300. Let's see if that price is worth it today in 2025. Now that is for the 48-inch by 30-inch. And if you don't like the colors or the black legs, you can go with white. They have plenty of color options. One of the bigger sizes here is going to be 300. Of course, if you get the biggest one, that will be closer to 6. But I like this desk because it is simple. It is everything you need. Nothing really more, but it works perfect as a standing desk. This one actually comes with wheels, but you can also do it just the regular feet way as well. It has a large desk space, so if you're into multiple monitors and gaming, I mean, hard to beat that. And compared to some other desks we build, we're gonna see the build quality, how easy this desk is to build. So let's get right to when this PC ships to our door and I can get to building and explain the steps and break it down a little bit. So the desk has arrived in 2 separate boxes. We have the tabletop and the legs. These are both really heavy, so make sure you get help. And what I like to do before starting on any desk build is see what I'm working with. So I unbox the parts, separate them all, organize them, and then take a look at the directions. This desk is broken up into 6 easy steps. Well, it looks like actually 7, but that last step's a little bit of cable management. So 6 steps to get this thing assembled, and they are all very easy. One of the things I like about FlexiSpot is how simple and easy to follow the directions are. Everything is labeled. You can get away with minimal. I used a power drill later in the video. It's up to you if you want to use a hand screwdriver, but I would recommend a power drill. So here's all the parts laid out. It even comes with plenty of cable management items, so underneath you can hide all the cables and it'll look really nice. All right, now getting into the build, there was really no major issues because this desk is pretty simple and straightforward. If you've built one of these, you basically can knock this out in 30 minutes or less. The first step includes taking these metal rods and sliding them in to where the table is going to rest here. There is 2 of these tops on each side. Just make sure they're orientated the right way, and you're going to have to unscrew that top screw so that rod will slide down the middle. And after you've done that for both sides of the desk, we are now going to install the side plates. You want to make sure that plate side is facing out like you're seeing here in the video. Just make sure you're glancing over at the directions and the orientation for everything is correct, because that's where most common mistakes are going to be made, is you put something on the wrong side because you weren't paying attention. I did actually do that here with this hook. This hook is holding one of the power bricks. I accidentally flipped it over where the power brick would be on the outside instead of that inside spot where it should be with the cables, but that was an easy fix that I did down the line. I was trying to go a little too fast. Again, little mistakes happen with desks like this. Just make sure we don't make any big ones. The next steps include installing the legs and then those stands, those little feet, and this is about as easy of a step as you can get. Everything lines up quite nicely, and 4 screws and you're done. So there is not much issue on these steps. When we get to the cable management and plugging in section, that's where it gets a little bit more confusing. But as long as you take it, so these pretty much can only go one way. Just make sure we're connecting one at a time, leaving plenty of room for the zip ties for cable management, and we're not tangling anything up, and you should be just fine there. And now that the build is done, let's take a closer look at how this desk is in all of its glory. This thing is pretty big. I like how the buttons glow when you turn it up or down. And I just really like that wood color. But again, on the website, they have black, they have white. You can mix and match the colors. Super easy to build, looks super great, and it's gonna have plenty of space to fit all of your PC or hobbyist needs. There will be an affiliate link down below for this FlexiSpot desk if you're interested and want to check it out. Let me know down in the comments, what is your favorite gaming desk? And thank you all so much for watching this quick little desk video, and I'll see you all in the next one.